Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at System.io, how you can actually use the marketplace and create a solid affiliate marketing foundation. This video is going to be interesting for you who want to learn the skills of affiliate marketing, and not only that, start to use the right tools that are going to generate you those sales and conversions and leads and everything else. The beauty of having System.io. I personally use the tool on a daily basis, so this is why I'm making these videos, and I hope this tutorial actually helps you to understand the tool a little bit more, and then you can, dream and also do whatever you need to do with the tool itself. Now, I do have a link in the description for System.io if you want to get started for free completely. It's going to be there. And otherwise, guys, hit that subscribe button and the bell notification in case you want to see more of these videos in the future and trainings on System.io. So let's jump onto my screen on my laptop and share with you more about System.io. Great, guys, I'm on my laptop, and as I said, System.io is the affiliate marketing tool. It's an all-in-one marketing platform. Honestly, it has, if you're interested in email marketing, you can use it as an email market, as an autoresponder, for example. You can be sending out sales funnels, courses, name it. For me, I see it as a tool that I will be using for a long, long time. Any kind of courses that I put out on this channel also will be in this hub right itself. Okay, that's for the future. I haven't done anything yet, but I just wanted to let you guys know. I personally am loving this tool, but really it's up to you. There are many tools out there, and it's really up to you which one you would like to use, right? So if you want to use a ClickFunnels to a System.io, if you want to lead pages to a System.io, if you want to use Katra instead of System.io, it's really up to you how whether you like the features or not. I personally love it. And the nice thing about it, in my opinion, which I wanted to share with you just right now, is that you can get started for free. If you're a new person and just getting started with affiliate marketing or just the online space in itself, I think it's really important to have the right tool. Let me explain it to you guys in this way. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, you learn a few skill sets. One is you learn the skill set of traffic generation, which is one of the most important skill sets that you need to focus as an affiliate marketer, but any kind of marketer for that matter, whether it's paid advertising as a skill set, whether it's free advertising as a skill set. How do you generate traffic? How do you get people to your offer or to your product or service? This is how the world works. This is how big sites, market brands, everything work at the moment. How do you get those eyeballs? Online. You can do it offline as well. It's not a problem. But this has been the structure in terms of sales and marketing for the longest time ever. That is one of the skill sets that we need to learn as an affiliate marketer. The second one is email marketing or copywriting, which again is really super important for this kind of skill set, because you can take that skill set and monetize that skill set by offering your services as a copywriter to write emails, to write sales pages, and so on and so forth. There's a lot that you can do as a copywriter. And then the other thing that you can also do is you can actually give your service. If you learn how to use this tool as System.io, you can offer that service to build funnels, to build courses, to build everything using System.io to somebody else. So if you know a creator or somebody who's providing value in health and fitness, or anything that is something that you're interested in, say it's even teaching you how to bake or cook, and you want to create a course on that, you can share with them, or you can create that, you can offer your service and create that course with the person through System.io, and then so on and so forth, right? So I think it can offer these three elements, which is quite strong as skill sets. Remember, here in Tips with Dave, we are just talking about skill sets that pave the way for your dreams to come true. So you can offer these skill sets very openly to another person and help them build their business, right? And that's the whole point here. It's not about, for me, it's not about the cash flow itself. It's rather, how do you implement the skills so that the cash flow is not even a question? So all these three skills are super important and great to use if you have this tool. So just to give you guys an idea, I'm talking about it so that you open your horizons to knowing that there are other ways to do it. Okay, I personally focus on affiliate marketing, so I build a system for myself. Firstly, I get conversions of the system for myself, and then I share that with other people if they want to do the same thing. Now, the foundation for affiliate marketing is you definitely need to have a landing page which collects the emails. Then I do email marketing, and I send it to a sales page, which converts the emails into sales. But as an affiliate marketer in phase one, I don't have a product of my own. I have other people's products who are taking care of the customer service, everything that's there behind, the merchants, and so on and so forth. and they are just paying me a commission for sending people to their offer. So that is how I do it. Now, in order for me to do it that way, I focus on the solid foundations of actually finding the right product. I use personally Warrior Plus to find the right product. So you can see right here, this is my, these are some last months. This is just to give you guys an idea. This is just Warrior Plus last month, this month, yesterday, and today is just already $2.03. But this will get better as we go on and we continue. Okay, so I'm doing the phases myself and showing you guys that earnings are possible, but that's the foundation where I use Warrior Plus as a network which has these kind of offers. It really depends on what you want. So it really depends on what is your offer. So for example, if you want to build something in the health space, then you need to find a health product. If you want to build something in investing, you need to find a product which is related to investing, which I would suggest that you use and you own, just because it brings a lot more credibility and also value to the person who's buying the product from you, and you can keep your whole following and basis for a longer time. This is not something that we want to do where we just get started and make a quick buck. No, something that we want to have as a side hustle for a long time, which can eventually become your full-time hustle, right? That's the whole point. The way I've set it up is I've used a tool, as you guys have seen in the past. I've shared this before. And by the way, the whole affiliate marketing course that I have or system that I have is in the description. You can just click on the link there and you will be able to get started. Okay, you need to enter your email address, as you see right here. It will take you to the thank you page, which has 20-minute training, and then also gives you some proof, and then you can decide to get the full course and the offer. It's really up to you. That's going to be in the description of this video. Okay. But this is how I have it set up. So basically I have a product from Warrior Plus that I created using system. Well, I take the link and I add it to a system.io page here, basically, and I create this whole process. So this is the sales process. This is this kind of sales page, bridge page, people who get to know me, so on and so forth. But this is the sales process, and this is where I collect the email address of the person so that I can then send them emails out every single day. I have a campaign within system.io that I've created, by the way, and that campaign goes out to the leads that I get on a daily basis there using Warrior Plus. Now you can use, as I mentioned, the important thing is getting the network. So you can use ClickBank if you want, okay? And is another affiliate network, very big affiliate network. You can use Digistore, which is another affiliate network. Or, and this is the beauty of it, or I wanted to show you guys this today, but if I sign into my account and you go dashboard right here and you click on affiliate, you click on marketplace right here, you can use the marketplace of system.io to find products that are worth it. Now, there are a couple of things that I do want to say about system.io marketplace or affiliate dashboard. One of the things, these are the features, right? These are the features of system.io. But if I scroll down, I want to share with you that you can also be an affiliate itself. So I'm going to go to affiliate program. System.io has way over 3 million. Actually, they've done more than 4 million already in commissions paid out to their affiliates. It's a 50% lifetime commission for each of the people who have active accounts. Obviously, it's not just that you make a sale. If they need to have active accounts, paid accounts. If they're on a free plan, obviously you're not going to get paid. If they're on the paid plan, like the startup, you're going to get paid basically, I think, $13.50 for each member that joins, a higher amount for the webinar plan, and ultimately the unlimited plan is about around $40 something per month, as long as the people are active. Okay, so it's a very strong system and a very strong affiliate program, in my opinion. You have also cookies on the platform, so that means anything that they purchase through, let's say, system.io's products or services will be cookied to you. You get a commission on that. So that's pretty nice to have in itself. So anything, for example, and I'm going to show that to you in a second. If you go to affiliate dashboard, just so you guys know, I have got one person who's basically on the paid plan, but here you can see marketplace offers. So if any of these offers, which system.io automatically sends to people, and a sale is made, you basically get a commission on that. So for example, this one right here, you get 50% commissions on this offer. So if somebody goes and buys this offer, you basically get 50% commission on that. So it's quite interesting. It's a $7 offer, so you'll get 50% of that. That's how it works with system.io. So these are products that they have itself in their affiliate program, and they send it out. So it's pretty much anybody can be an affiliate. You need to be a customer of system.io, as far as I know. That's about it. Okay, so they have these different offers that you can see right here, and if anybody buys any of these offers, you're just going to get a commission of it. They're not actively selling it, guys, but as I mentioned, this is a marketplace that you can use as well. besides the other marketplaces. If you don't want to buy any product or service or something like that, and you just want to use and start to generate this skill set of getting those commissions in the offers in the marketplace itself on system.io, you can find multiple offers with info products, services, templates, you name it. So for example, info products, you have money, health, relationships, hobbies, all of these are there. Just to give you guys an idea, if I click on health and I say filter, you will see all the health products that they have. So they have a product which is called a productive game plan, which is interesting. You can check out, there are different people obviously that are creating these products. It doesn't have to be system.io products, just FYI. It can be other products for other people. I would suggest only to because it can be anybody who's creating the product. So that's why first and foremost, I would personally suggest buy the product yourself so that you know what you're getting before you actually start to be an affiliate for that product. So for example, I have Funnel Vibe products, and I really like the way Funnel Vibe is done things. So let's not, you have affiliate programs as well, but let me just go to offers, and I'm going to go to funnel and click. So you can see right here, you have also system.io, other products that are there, which are not 50% commissions, but they are templates, for example. So if you want all access pass to different templates and so on and so forth, or if you click on Funnel Vibe, which is what I wanted to show you, I use system.io also to create a blog. So you can share this template with other people and you can basically make 25% commissions. So obviously, check out the system, check out the marketplace, which offers make sense for you, purchase them, see whether you can actually recommend them to somebody else, and then use it. The other beautiful thing of system.io is that if you're talking about system.io as a tool and you want people to maybe get the unlimited plan, or you want them to get the yearly subscription for the startup plan and so on and so forth, all you need to do is go to offers, click on system right here, and you'll see all the system.io offers. Okay, so all access template. You can see a mini funnel right here. Let me actually put it like the system.io and then click on filter. You can see that there is an accelerator funnel. There is a solopreneur funnel. There is a personalized funnel. So there are a lot of ones right here. And if I go to the next page, I wanted to show you guys this so you actually see it for yourself also. So on this page, you can see there is a done for you course if you want the other plug and play funnels, but I think I need to go to the third page because it's not, yes. Here, right here is the important thing for me. So in this section right here, you can see that they have the system.io annual plan, unlimited. So if somebody wants to get the unlimited for a year, all I do, because it's easier if somebody reaches out to me, right, and asks me, I want to get the unlimited plan or the starter plan, as you can see right here, for the year. What I do is I go to this page in the marketplace, and you can see, and I'll show you how you can know it's your affiliate ID. Okay, you can see that these are all the benefits. This is what's going to show you, etc., etc. Your commission is 50%, so that's $76 plus lifetime commissions on additional sales and so on and so forth, right? Yeah. So this will be up. I'm just going to go to promote, and you can see right here it's $18 per month, 27 monthly fee, blah, blah, blah. It has all the information, and then the cost right here. Here it says 50, you will earn 76. Why is it 76? The reason because is that every single month there's a discount here. So that's what you're going to be earning from this specific one, right? But if you go to the unlimited, that's a $250 sale, right? Straight away, because somebody is paying $1,000 for the year. This is the annual plan. Remember, this is always the annual plan that I'm sharing right here. It's $97 per month. For the entire year, they will be basically paying $1,000.10. And that's what you're going to get. So you're going to get a $249, more than that, $276 in commissions. And when it renews the next year, again, you're going to get another $276. Okay, so, but this is what I do. I pretty much come to system.io marketplace, and I take this and I click on promote offer. And you can see this link right here in the top. Now, it's very interesting because after the SA, so this is the link basically to the page. And then you have SA equals SA. So this whole section right here is my affiliate link. So just to give you guys an idea, if I go to affiliate dashboard, in order for me to promote system.io and as an affiliate, this is my affiliate link. And you can see right here, it is the same as this. Okay, so I've checked this out. This is how they cookie it to you. And your affiliate link always needs to be there. So you can always create products, but then you have this affiliate link that's there in the section right here. I personally use the marketplace quite a bit. I wanted to show you guys what the marketplace was, so that in case when you are deciding, should I do affiliate marketing with a network? Should I use products within? I would suggest to combine the two, because there are some things that are here that could be useful. There are some things that could be useful somewhere else, right? But ultimately, when you're giving more information, more tools, more resources for your customers to understand what System.io is about, you're also creating a recurring payment for yourself. So you now are creating more of a passive income here within System.io itself. I will be using this tool, talking about this tool a lot over the next years. So in case you're interested in System.io and want to learn more about the skill sets, how to build a blog, how to build the funnels, how to do proper email marketing, I have some videos already out on this channel. I'll leave the playlist in the description. And in case you're interested in just contacting me on Facebook, then I'll leave a link to my Facebook as well in the description. Otherwise, everything that you've seen in this video, I hope that it gave you some knowledge and idea of what the marketplace is like. And if you're interested in getting started, then I'm going to see you on the inside of my funnel, which is in the description of this video. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true.